Okay, here's the deal. If this rain will ever stop, I'm just a couple minutes from hopping in a helicopter, and I am ridiculously excited because helicopters are basically the coolest thing ever, and the moment you show up anywhere in a helicopter, you're essentially James Bond, and you can't be any cooler than that. Like, if you come to a party at the helicopter, it doesn't matter who you are, you're the coolest person at the party. And I'm coming to a party on this side of a mountain with a helicopter. To make it even more James Bondish, not only am I just showing up with a helicopter, I have a very fast-paced mission that I have to accomplish. I have approximately 45 minutes while an aircraft pilot inspects what's left of the runway after a landslide to repair a Kodan commercial radio that hasn't been used successfully in over 2 years, make contact with our base here in Madang, and train somebody there in how to use the dang thing so that they can take care of it when we're not there, send in weather reports, and contact us and the other missions organizations that are in town. We have 45 minutes to do that. That's like a 2-day project, so if it works, that's kind of awesome. If it doesn't work, welcome to PNG. We'll figure something out. Well, I made it back to Madang, and not only did I make it back to Madang, I made it back before lunchtime and got the radio to work. I went out there for 3 reasons. 1, fix the radio. 2, fix a water tank. And 3, the pilot for SIO checked the runway to see if you could land an actual airplane there instead of just helicopters. And all 3 of those things happened. That never happens in Papua New Guinea. We got the radio to work, made contact with our base radio here. We got the water tanks taken care of, hooked up, plumbed properly, and tested, And we got the runway approved to land airplanes. So that's fantastic. That's pretty much all I have to say about that. Thanks for going on an adventure with me.